How do you convert a percentage to a decimal? You replace the percent sign with the fraction 1 over 100 and complete the calculation. Let's look at an example. You want to convert 42% to a decimal. First, you just replace the percent sign with 1/100th. Then, you multiply the resulting factors to get 42 over 100. Now you complete the division by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. Right now, 42 doesn't have a decimal point, but recall that 42 can be written as 42.0. You can always get a decimal point like this. Now you move the decimal point 2 places to the left to get 0.420, or simply 0.42. That's all there is to it. That means 42% is the same as the decimal 0.42. Let's see how you can make this even easier. Instead of replacing the percent sign with 1 over 100, you can just directly divide by 100 and remove the percent sign, since it means divide by 100. So 42% can be written as 42 divided by 100, which equals 0.42. Let's look at another example. You want to convert 25.1% to a decimal. First, you replace the percentage sign with 1 over 100, which is the same as dividing by 100. When you divide by 100, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left, which gives you 0.251. That means 25.1% is the same as the decimal 0.251. To convert a percentage to a decimal, you replace the percent sign with the fraction 1/100th. Then complete the calculation.